In this video, I'll show you how to print on an envelope using your Brother laser printer. So let's get started right away. First thing, we need to go on the back of the printer, and over here we're going to have a small door. We need to open it like this, because this is where the envelope will come out from the printer. On the front of the Brother printer, we have this door over here. This is where we need to insert the envelope manually. You can put it over here with the usual paper. The only problem is that if you put it there, it will get folded and it will come out from this slot. So most people don't want their envelope to get folded once it gets printed, since it won't look pretty. So this is why we're using this slot instead. So let me open it. And here we have two gray plastic guide. First thing, we're gonna take our envelope. We're gonna put it facing up. So over here, this is where it opens. So this part will go down. We'll place it like this. Well, you need to place it with the opening here on the left side if you want to print like that. So the first thing, we need to bring these two plastic guides together by moving them like that. Then put your envelope here, glide it until you cannot glide it anymore, here. And then bring these two gray guides just enough to hug the envelope. You do not want to squish it, it's just so it does not come crooked inside of the printer. Once this is done, let's go on the computer. Well, I will assume that you have already connected your printer to your Mac, PC, or even smartphone. I have some videos showing you how to do it in case you didn't do it, but let's start from here. So I have this design in Photoshop and I want to print it on my envelope. I'll go and open the print window. It's the same thing on Windows. Over here, I'm gonna select my printer. This is my Brother printer. Then I'll press Print Settings. Under paper size, I need to modify this, obviously, and choose which size envelope you want to print on. In my case, it's envelope number 10. This is a pretty standard envelope. And then over here where it says feed from, we need to select manual feed. This is the slot we used. You don't want the printer to take a paper from your usual tray. Then media type, select envelope. Finally, quality, it depends. If you are printing a graphic that is complicated, better put it to best to get the best quality. If you're just printing some text or it's not that important and you want to be done quickly, just leave it to normal. I think the print quality is pretty satisfying. Press save. Here, layout, I'll select this way. Okay, this is the preview. It looks perfect, and I'll press the print button. It will ask me to confirm here. I'll press print again. The envelope will be taken from here and it will come back on the back of the printer. So here is the back of the printer and this is how it came out. Pretty good, and you see it's on the right side. So here it's where you open it, and on this side is the design. So this is it. This is how you use your Brother laser printer to print on an envelope. I hope this was useful. If so, and if you want to support my channel, check the Amazon affiliate links down below if you want to get some envelopes, some ink cartridges, or maybe some paper for your printer. If not, simply leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.